This in-service video will provide you with basic instructions on manipulation of the Flsl series linear staplers from Panther Healthcare. For more information, please refer to the instructions for use included in the package. Description: Looking at this instrument, begin at the distal end of the Panther linear stapler. Here is the anvil and reloading unit. The retaining pin must be seated prior to firing the instrument. The retaining pin knob and the release button are at the back of the instrument together with the fixed and firing handles. Method of operation: place the instrument jaws around the tissue at the point of transection. The retaining pin should be properly seated prior to closing or firing the instrument. The retaining pin aligns the cartridge and anvil to ensure proper staple formation. The pin can be manually advanced by pushing the retaining pin button forward. If not seated manually, the pin will automatically seat with the first squeeze of the handle. Firing the instrument requires 2 complete squeezes of the instrument handle. Firstly, put the instrument in a tactile pre-clamp position. An audible click will be heard. The handle will stop between the original and fully squeezed position. This pre-clamp position allows final positioning of the tissue within the jaws. This is not to be considered as a full squeeze of the instrument handle. After the tissue is properly positioned, complete the squeeze and release the handle, which will return to its original extended position with an audible click. To ensure proper firing, the handle must return to this original position. The instrument is now ready to fire. Note: it is possible to bypass the pre-clamp phase with a rapid full squeeze and then a return of the handle to its original position. The next squeeze of the handle will fire the staples. Before firing, ensure that the retaining pin is fully seated in the anvil. To fire the instrument, squeeze the handle a second time until it reaches a solid stock and locks at the back position. An audible click will be heard as the handle locks. Slowly release your fingers from the handle. If it remains in a locked position, the instrument has been correctly fired. As the stapler is fired, it places 1 double staggered row of titanium staples. Prior to opening the instrument, the cutting guide built into the anvil may be used to transect the tissue. Press the black release button in the rear of the instrument to open the jaws and unlock the handle. Check the staple line for proper hemostasis. The Flsl series of linear staplers and reloading units are equipped with a safety lockout that prevents the instrument from being fired with a used reloading unit or with an improperly placed reloading unit. To remove the reloading unit, grasp the finger pads at the top of the reloading unit and pull it straight out parallel with the jaws. To reload the instrument, grasp the new unused reloading unit by the finger pads with the staple holes facing the instrument anvil like this. Insert the reloading unit into the metal cartridge housing and push in firmly until it clicks into position. The Flsl linear staplers are designed to be reloaded 7 times for a total of 8 firings during one operation. The Flsl linear staplers and reloading units are provided in a blister pack color-coded according to the size of the staple. The following staple closure sizes are estimates. 2.5 mm staple reloading units are white and close to 1.0 mm. 3.5 mm staple reloading units are blue and close to 1.5 mm. 4.8 mm staple reloading units are green and close to 2 mm. Features and benefits: intuitive design. One-handed dual action handle design provides maximum control. First squeeze to close. Second squeeze to fire. 4 stapler sizes. In particular, Flsl Star 45 is dedicated to the TME procedure, and 30, 60, and 90 are standard jaw lengths. Long narrow shaft allows for greater access and visibility in deeper male pelvis, thorax. Cutting guide for safety during transection. Pre-clamp closure allows surgeons to adjust the position with no trauma. Panther Healthcare medical equipment.